Come take this finger. I dare you. Come take this finger. I don't know you shit. I don't know you, motherfucker. Get the fuck off my planet.
When I rap, it's like a chatter. I've been hitting like a batter. When I'm coming with my blasters, cassettes cause disasters. I'm not gonna upgrade to Napster. That shit too high tech. And everybody too high off the tech. Well, technically I wrecked any mic on set. Why you tripping, ma, when we barely even met? I'm gone, I gotta hop into my mechanical. I'm really raw like an animal, making cream like his animals. I'm trying to up my capital, I'm typing all in capitals while I'm chilling at the Capitol. I know this all sounds practical, cause I got another tactical rhythm by Wyndham. Where does the wind blow? I roll down my window to see silly sluts in the cut, to smoke Billy Blunt, so I'm up. Yeah, what's up? Whoa, dough, mix a pizza pie, piece it together, and then you wonder why you always on the fly. You may say your flow can't stop when you go. There's two open roads, one leads to combat and one leads to thrones. Where's your job at and why you alone? Is this contribution? Yeah. Is this restitution? Nah. Is this in the Constitution? Cause I'm constantly being stopped like constipation. Always adjacent to the skunk like fragrance. I'm so high, eyes looking like an Asian's. Don't get Buddha blessed by a bud tender. Remember, they just clones of Kylie Jenner.